Alright everybody, what is going on? Well, hadn't been doing a whole lot today. Just got finished eating supper. Grilled some hamburgers and sausage and fried up some fries. It is June the 27th, it's 6:20 p.m. and it's 88 degrees. And boy, I tell you, it feels good compared to the other days. So what we're doing today is going to the mother-in-law's house and getting her TVs fixed up. We went today and she changed her internet plan to unlimited and saved her some money. She had cable boxes on 2 TVs that she hardly ever uses, and that was costing about $17 a month for those 2 boxes. So we got rid of the boxes. She still has cable, Xfinity cable, but we got rid of the boxes and she's gonna stream on those 2 TVs with the Xfinity app. So I'm heading over there to set those up. She don't know how to put the app, get the apps on there and all that stuff. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. But no, I tell you, it's nice out here today. I got my, well, at the time I'm recording this, my other video is going to post tonight at 7, so it'll be up on YouTube. And I got 3 math videos posted today. Well, they're not, one of them's posting today, but the other 2 are scheduled to post over the next week, a week and a half. And tomorrow I will probably make a couple more math videos. I graded papers today. Well, I gave that test last Monday, and I just got those graded, so that took 7 days. I'm sure they were waiting on their grades, but I got those graded and posted, so I don't plan on taking that long to get papers graded anymore, but this time it did. There's my daughter up there leaving from my mother-in-law's. And there's my daughter right there. She's going to downtown West Monroe to take pictures. She takes pictures for this store. She models the clothes, so that's where she's heading. But yeah, we're here at my mother-in-law's, so we're gonna go in here and get her TVs set up, and I will get back on here when we leave. Hopefully it won't be dark when we leave, but you never know. Alright everybody, I'm back. I got the TVs fixed, and so we're heading back home, and it's starting to get dark. So, but yeah, I got all the TVs working with the Xfinity Stream app. I tell you that one of those TVs was a pain in the butt. Well, both of them were really, but one of them, the remote didn't work too good. You'd mash it and it would just skip over it'd just keep scrolling over to the right, left, up or down when you hit the button. I don't know, there's something wrong with that remote, but we got it working on that TV. And then the other TV, it was a little bit older. It was an older TV. It's a smart TV, but I looked and I could not find the Xfinity Stream app on there. And there was no place to search for the apps. Well, luckily she had a Roku, so I just hooked the Roku up to it. And so they're gonna watch it through the Roku app, streaming the TV. And I told her for her bedroom, I told her I would just go, if I was her, I would just go and get a Roku stick. You can get it for about $30. They got them at Walmart Neighborhood Market for 30 bucks. It's a 4K streaming stick. They're on sale. So I told her just to get that, and it'd be real easy to stream then. But yeah, got that. Now all she has to do is take the cable boxes back up there to Xfinity, turn those in, and she'll be good to go once she does that. I'm glad I don't have cable anymore. As you've heard me talk in other videos, we got Hulu Live, and that's all we have in our house is Rokus. We got a Roku Ultra and a Roku Stream Bar. And then my daughter's TV, hers is a Roku TV, so it's already built in. But yeah, so we got all that taken care of, heading home. Sit down and relax and watch TV. And I tell you, right now, it feels good. It is 81 degrees right now, and that breeze feels good. But I think I am going to call it a video. As usual, I will leave the camera running in case something exciting happens. But I appreciate you watching. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.